Hi guys, so now I'm going to show you this Canon booster T finder that I have. I'm going to show you how to use it. So I already placed in the 4L44 batteries inside, so now it's functional. When I turn it on, you see the light is actually on. And I will show you. So before you mount on the booster, you need to ensure that your speed is below 30. That's what the manual says. But I think it's okay to just put it to bulk mode lah. Okay, then you put it in, slide it in, and when you slide in, you don't force it. You see like there's inside there's something there blocking it. You push this so it goes up, then you slide it inside. Okay, then when it goes to 3, then it is bulk mode. 3 is bulk mode. So from here you can adjust the speeds, but when you reach 3 it will lock. Don't force it. It will stop by itself. It's by design. So I'm going to show you first by turning this on. So when it's on, the light will actually turn on. When you see the light is on, it indicates that indicate to you that the light is on. So on lower ISOs like 25, on the white numbers, the white shutter speeds, the light will be on here, and it will show you in the viewfinder. Let me put it close up. Wait. So in the viewfinder, you can see that there's a light. So one of the troubles I had with the F1 is that in dark conditions, because there's no light to shine into the side here, so I very hard to actually meter in dark conditions because there's no light to actually show me how's the exposure like. So with this T booster, you can shoot in dark conditions with very good results. So it will just like, how to say, it will just like, you will just shine the thing there, then you know that there's something going on there. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to put the battery for the body. Sorry. Hey, let me see if it works without the battery. Okay, so like if you leave the viewfinder open like this, then the light will be here. But if you close it, you can turn here to close the viewfinder, then the light will be here. See? Oh, it doesn't need the. Does it need the? Okay, let me see. Never mind. Let me put the battery lah. Okay. Okay, so battery is in. Okay, let me open the viewfinder again. Put the speed at 2. Let me see. Yeah, I can see the meter is working now. Just now it was not. And then now when I actually close this thing, then the meter is working here. See? So when I put up, you're off and you're on here. When I go to the yellow speeds, which is the seconds, like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 8 seconds, then the meter will be on here. But then you need to, how to say, you need to close the viewfinder using the booster in order to activate this thing here. So once it's activated, let's say you want to do like longer exposures, like 4-8 seconds or what, this is what I need to do, because 3 seconds is actually bulk mode. So what you need to do is that you need to press this up and then you turn here. Press up and turn. See? Now you can turn freely between the 60 seconds until 3. But when you reach 3, then you lock again. So if you want to do long exposures, you just turn up here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it's like when it's firing. So you can fire using this button. Let's say like I do 60 shutter. So 60 shutter, and I I focus using the viewfinder. Then you can just focus and shoot normally. Until 3 seconds, then that's when you actually engage the viewfinder. Then you get a light here and you fire. So for 3 seconds, it will actually, how to say, you'll just like do bob mode for 3 seconds lah. It's like a, you can think of this as a timer. It's a fancy timer. So let's say I do 4 seconds, I can't turn because it's locked. So then you press this up, then I turn. So now I get 4 seconds. So let's do 4 seconds. See? Then 8 seconds. Okay. Then 15. It's a bit, wait. So there's a light on when it's actually working. So now 30 seconds, half a minute. So yeah, interesting. I like this kind of camera, like F1. I like F1 camera. It's very solid and nice. Still waiting. Okay, now we're gonna do 1 minute. So we're gonna just wait 1 minute. Yeah, so there you go. Gonna show you the outside of this camera. Whoa, F1 man. I like F1. See, I open and close this thing here. Then there's the button. You show you some close-ups just to while the time away. Sure, close up. Oh, blinking. Shutter button. Oh, there's a hole here. I'm not sure what is it for. Maybe it's to put the like a remote shutter release or what, right? I think so. Interesting. 1 minute. I see. So this Canon booster T finder works, and yeah. If you like this booster, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.